Ramogi wadhi nyime. Riwruok mar Vocal Africa ma bende rango chenro mag yiero ma adundo ma ichano tim tich ang'wen mar jumani oywago tulo ma ogo tach e kinde mag campaigns. Giwacho ni campaigns go osenyayo koko kod lweny ahinya to e gwenge ma Kasipul kod North. Elizabeth Ajode nigi mathoth.
Kane giloso e apis mar Giebo mama Nairobi, Director mar Vocal Africa Hussein Khalid owacho ni campaign mag ikruok ne yiero ma adundo oketo ranyisi mar koko, tulo kod weche mathoth marocho ratiro mag jopiny. Ahinya to e gwenge ma Kasipul kod North, karowere matindo e mathoth ne itiyogo e nyayo koko.
The political climate surrounding the by-election has been characterized by violence, heightened tension, electoral malpractices, including deployment of state machinery. In many of these areas where by-elections are scheduled, political tension has escalated far beyond what is typical for midterm polls. What should ideally be routine electoral contests have instead morphed into fierce political battlegrounds.
Kasipul Kabondo has emerged as one of the most volatile by-election zones. And our observers documented multiple attacks on different days.
Giwacho ni e campaign go, mwandu kod omenda mag sirikal itiyogo e yo marach, kaka tiyo kod nyamburko mag sirikal e tero jopiny e kuonde campaign, tiyo kod omenda e pogo jopiny e kinde campaign e kind weche mamoko.
Political competition is a normal feature of democracy. However, what we have observed across different regions raises significant red flags. These include an upsurge in electoral-related violence. 2, misuse of state resources by incumbent political actors.
Bende gimedo ni josiasa matiyo e sirikal tiyo gi teko margi kendo girwako nyaka ruodhi e timo campaign ne jok magisiro.
The most disturbing trend is the active participation of senior state officers in partisan political campaigns. Our observers have documented multiple instances where cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, speakers of National Assembly and Senate, county commissioners and senior administrators have openly campaigned for specific candidates.
Vocal Africa ochiwo siem ne tendo bila mapacho ka, duol mar IEBC, EACC, jochung kaachiel kod jopiny mondo otem keto kwe kendo oti kaluwore kod chike mag yiero e kinde yiero ma adundo kata nyaka e seche mag yiero maduong' mabiro timore higa 2027.
Enhanced security deployment in Kasipul, Kabondo and North. These two areas have recorded multiple violent incidents on different dates. Consider disqualifying candidates violating publicly commit the Electoral Code of Conduct, and 4, discipline supporters who engage in unlawful behavior.
Elizabeth Ajode, Ramogi TV.